Hello, Fred Bergeron here from Inaxsys. In this tutorial today I want to show you with the ICT Protege GX platform a feature that is quite interesting and can be quite useful if you have a site with different rooms that they want to rent at times or things like that. Basically, it's called calendar actions. This is available in the Protege standard software. It is not available or included with the starter edition, but it's included with the standard edition. So calendar actions basically allows you to create at a specific date and time an event that will change the status of a door or of a programmable output, okay, a PGM. So basically with being able to control the door like that, the operator, the security guard can say, okay, this Saturday, normally the gymnasium is closed and locked, but this Saturday there's a championship of basketball and then you want to unlock the door. So basically you go under sites, and calendar actions, and it brings like an Outlook calendar. It's very similar to an Outlook calendar, okay? So in this example, what I did, I created myself this event. On the 13th of April, the server room door will unlock from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay, so let's say there's a contractor working in there and they leave the door open to bring some new equipment in. So basically, I'm doing a latch unlock. So you can do lock, latch unlock, and extended time. Okay, so on that day, let's say you want the door to unlock for 30 seconds instead of 5 seconds. That's another way to do it, okay? But a good thing also, because we have the ability to control an output, in this case, I can do anything I want with just an output. So I could, let's say, after the door is relocked, let's say on the 13th of April at 8 a.m., I can trigger an output that will trigger a programmable function to arm the area inside the door without any user intervention. So you can automate special events like this using the calendar. You can pre-program all these in advance for a month, for the whole year, and it actually stores in the controller. So you don't even need to have the software up and running for this to happen on that specific date, okay? So again, using an output will allow me, if I go back here under automation, to use any of these types of programmable function, okay? So controlling areas, controlling floors, controlling doors, enable lockdowns, you can do anything you want, just because we have the ability of triggering an output and turning it off later. So again, this is a feature included with the GX standard software. It's very useful. It basically allows you to have an event occur outside of the normal, let's say, schedules or normal system operations. So this was how to create calendar action events. It's very useful again. Don't forget, Inaxsys is the proud Canadian distributor of ICT products. All right, and we have tons and tons of video tutorials for you to learn our products. And if you have anything more specific, you can contact our sales team or the support team for help. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.